Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Aryani from English Education Class A 2022. Okay, in this occasion, I'll explain about vowel sounds. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, this video contains explanation of some of the following questions about: first, what is a vowel sounds? Second, are vowel sounds and vowel letters the same? And the third, how to produce vowel sounds in terms of place of articulation and manner of articulation. Okay, I'll begin from number one. There are two perspectives used to define vowels. First, general perspective from dictionary.com. Speech sound produced without occluding, diverting, or obstruction to the flow of air from the lungs. Second, specific perspective from phonetician. Vowels are described as open, oral, as well as voice speech sound. They are called open sounds because there is no obstruction to the airflow from the lung as it travels up through the trachea, past through the oral cavity and exits the mouth. Vowels are classified as oral sounds because they are produced solely by directing the airflow through the mouth. Moreover, they are considered voiced because they are created when the vocal folds vibrating. Then some people think that vowel sound and vowel letter are same, but actually vowel sounds and vowel letter are different. Vowel sounds refer to the actual sound or speech produced when pronouncing a vowel in a word. For example, the letter A can represent I as in hat, A as in hay, A as in car, or A as in care. On the other hand, vowel letters refers to the written representation of a vowel in alphabet. However, it's important to note that a single vowel letter can represent multiple vowel sounds. For example, the sound E can be written as double E in sim, as E in seal, as A in peace, as A in receive, and many more. And then about the last question, the production of vowel sounds in terms of place of articulation and the manner of articulation. The place of articulation pertains to specific speech organ involved in creating sounds, which only consist of the mouth, tongue, and lips. Conversely, the manner of articulation refers to how these speech organs are employed to generate vowel sounds, encompassing aspects such as height, pronouns, and rounding. In phonetic system, there is a system that can create the place of articulation and manner of articulation working together, which is called a parameter. Vowel sounds, either American and British, use five main parameters. The first, openness the mouth. The quality of vowel sounds can be different from one another according to the extent to which the jaws are either open or closed, as they show on the screen. Second, tongue elevation can be described in three vertical position: height position, such as when producing the vowel E in the word be, as you see at the picture, and middle position, where the elevation of tongue is midway between high and low, like the vowel sound I in the word trap. And the last, low position, when making the vowel sound, the mouth is wide open, so space of the mouth can be seen clearly, as in the vowel sound A in the word dress. And number 3, tongue elevation position can be described in 3 horizontal positions. First is front, when producing the vowel sound, the tongue direct to the hard palate. The next, central position, the tongue positioned halfway between a front vowel and back vowel. And the last, back position, when producing the vowel sound, the tongue direct to the soft palate. And number 4, lips shapes. When producing English vowel sounds, native speakers typically employ 2 lips configurations, rounded and unrounded. For example, as the picture below, as the picture on the screen, for vowel sound U in the word loose, lips are rounded, and for the vowel sound E, as in the word knee, and also on the screen, picture on the screen, the lips are not round or unrounded, hence not leader. Number 5, length of vocalization is the duration when producing a vowel sounds, either long vowel or short vowel. A long vowel sound, such as vowel sound U in the word goose, or short, such as the vowel sound I in the word trap. Okay, everyone, that my subline about vowel sounds, and hope you understand, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.